Laura! Okay, go. It's recording.
Exactly. You just said it.
Pac-Man? What do you have Pac-Man as a ringtone?
This is mine. You said it. You can send it back to us.
Yeah, so we could like sneak out like so easily, but we don't want to. So we don't want to take the chance.
Good. I got you with that one.
We did that last night
Get away with it.
because room check wasn't until 12:30. Yeah, there's like parties.
No, I got you.
Cause like this is, because we have all the resorts are right here, like right on this beach. Like they're all, and we're on the resort, and that's where all the parties are, and that's where all the spring breakers are.
Got you. No.
What?
You be quiet.
Yeah, I know. Today was the most fun out of all the days though.
You be quiet.
Today, at the club. I don't know, because tonight we went to the club and it was like a lot of fun. And it was really hot, guys. And I don't care about you think. It was like a dance thing.
It's called clubbing.
Well, we did a little bit, but we mostly danced. And then there was karaoke, and then there was like a stage and a dance contest, and then there was a daiquiri, like chugging contest.
What do you think it?
And then there was,
Clubbing.
I don't know. Laura, you're boring me now.
Because you're on free phone.
Oh my god. My laugh is ugly right now because I'm tired. Guess how many pictures I took throughout this whole week? 500. Nope. That's a lot.
It's called disco.
What?
Isn't that what they did? It's called hummingbird.
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm so tired. My
Yeah.
glasses out.
That's what I have. Mine holds 560.
I feel bad.
Laura, you have to do a closing. Do a closing.
No, it's not.